We shall now proceed to grind a point, but remember, wear your safety goggles. Watch this action. Maintain a steady pressure onto the wheel as you work. Cool the tip before grinding the other flank. Grind the opposite flank in exactly the same way. Cool the tip frequently to prevent it softening. The tip is next checked against a drill gauge. Align the bit against the gauge. Check that the cutting lip corresponds to the gauge angle. Note the lip length by comparing it to the graduated divisions. Check the opposite flank. Observe the angle and the lip length. Both lip lengths must be exactly equal. If the cutting lips are of uneven angles or lengths, then the point will drill oversize holes. To gauge the relief angle, check the bit against an engineer's square. This angle can be judged once you have experience. However, a protractor gauge can be used to assess the relief angle more accurately. The relief angle is made automatically in the grinding process if you have rotated and tilted the point as described earlier. If the relief angle is too great, the cutting edges will tend to chip or break away. Conversely, too small a relief will result in the point rubbing in the work and the need to exert excess pressure in order to keep the bit cutting. To increase the relief angle, you should give more twist on grinding and less twist to decrease the angle. We urge you to practice over and over using larger drills at first until you become skilled in the art of drill sharpening. That concludes this program. We invite you to participate in part 3 of this series after the practical session.